The Growing Participator Approach is one of the most natural ways to learn a language. The live sessions, the learning binder, the physical pictures, all of this is the core of your success. But independent practice can sometimes become inflexible. You have to listen to entire audio tapes just to train those few specific words that still need some practice. Here comes your perfect GPA upgrade, the new GPA Flashcard app. It doesn't replace your language partner or your flashcards. It's your ideal companion for independent, effective study. With the app, you break up those long recordings, learn exactly the words you don't know very well yet. The app remembers your progress, plans the flashcards for today, and safely guides your vocabulary into your long-term memory using the iceberg model. As a bonus, you can prepare your sessions in seconds using the library and the PDF export. And from now on, you stay 100% mobile while practicing. Learn anywhere. The intelligent upgrade for your language learning, the GPA Flashcard app. Make your independent study even more successful. Download now.